Make a great choice today with the 2020 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, exterior entry lights, remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.